Hello, Mr.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm good. How
Oh,
are you?
I'm okay. I'm a content creator. I'm trying to explore, the area and yeah, and see what exists. I don't know if you're comfortable talking to me.
It is okay.
All right, I go by the name of Mr. Dero on YouTube.
Okay. My
Yeah,
name is Twaha.
Twaha.
Yes, I'm a technician from Ebenezer Energy Saving Store.
These are Saving Stops Limited. Yeah, because when I saw it, there is a line passing around. I thought maybe it uses a kind of solar or yeah.
Our stove is designed with an inbuilt air system,
Okay.
which supports the burning of the stones.
Okay.
Because for these stones to burn, they need enough oxygen.
Yes.
So we designed it with an inbuilt air system.
Yes. All right.
As you can see here.
Yes.
So this is powered by the battery,
Yes.
which is charged by the solar panel.
Okay.
If I talk about the solar system, I mean the combination of the panel,
Yes.
which takes energy from the sun
Yes.
and stores in the battery.
Yes.
So the battery will be able to run this air system throughout, even at night.
Okay.
Yes. The reason why we are promoting this stock is
Yes.
we are conserving the environment.
Exactly.
Because with these stones, they are reusable.
Yes.
We use them for a long period of time.
Yes.
Like let's say this size,
Yes.
we give you stones that we could use for 2 years using the same stones every day,
Sure.
which in turn help you to save almost 80%
Yeah.
on the amount spent
On
cooking
charcoal or like firewood and the rest. All right.
fuel. So we are reducing and the cutting down of
Of
trees
trees. Yes.
and also reducing and cooking expenses.
Okay. But now, let's assume the stone you have given me got finished. How easy is it to get more of those stones?
By the time these stones get done,
Yes.
you'll see them that they are now soon getting done.
Okay.
Yes. So there you'll come back to us.
Yes.
You either contact us, we deliver them, or you come at our office.
Okay.
And they are very cheap. Let's say this size.
Yes.
This is how we package them.
Okay.
This one packet can be used for between 8 months to 1 year, and it goes for only 40,000 shillings.
40,000 shillings.
But you use it for,
For
8
months.
to 1 year.
Okay. So now, if I compare it with buying charcoal, because a charcoal of 80,000 may not take like more than 3 months.
True.
Actually, not even
Just 1
3,
month.
just 1 month, or if you don't use it so much,
Yes.
perhaps 2 months.
Yes.
Yeah.
And this one you'll use it for
For 8 months.
to 1 year.
Which is far better.
For home use. And if let's say you are for business,
Yes.
it's a restaurant,
Yes.
you'll use it for 6 months. The
Wow.
more you use, the more you keep on
Using it, that's
keep
when
on
it
reducing
keeps.
in size.
Yeah.
So after let's say 4 months,
Yes.
you'll see them shrinking in size.
Yes.
Yes, meaning that you'll see that they are.
Their lifespan is reducing now. All right. Oh, thank you so much. But now, if you don't mind, can we talk about the prices? Because I'm seeing different sizes.
It's okay.
All right.
As the company, we are promoting solar.
Yes.
But we have also electricity packages,
All right.
whereby electricity is just needed to run the air system alone.
All right.
So we have 2 packages, that of solar and electricity.
Yes.
But mostly we are promoting solar because in most areas in Uganda,
Yes.
electricity is not reliable.
Exactly.
So our stove ranges, for solar package, it ranges from 500,000 shillings
Yes.
and above.
Okay.
And we are manufacturing or producing them at 3 levels. That is to say the institutional, the commercial, and the domestic.
Okay.
For institutional, we also construct, as you can see.
Yes.
So those people who are using firewood, we've brought a solution for you.
Yes.
Because if you look at schools, they are very big consumers
Yes.
of firewood.
Exactly.
So with the help of our system, we use solar with these rocks to cook.
That is a very good initiative for
So
sure.
a school, let's say a school that is using 5 trips a term,
Yes.
will reduce almost 80%
Percent of their expenditure when they install this one in
It's not
particular.
that the institutional. We have the commercials,
Yes.
as you can see this one.
Yes.
We have the domestic. So our prices range from 500,000.
500. That is the smallest domestic.
Yes, on that 500,000 we give you a solar panel,
Yes.
stones for 2 years,
Yes.
a battery, light, It also has other added benefits like
Yeah.
phone charging and also lighting as well.
Okay.
Yes, on that same money, you are given a warranty for 1 year.
1 year warranty.
Meaning, in case of any
And a
problem,
fault or what?
that is the security you have. You
Okay.
come back to us, we replace it with another one.
All right. Like, do you have like a business card that I can pick so that in case of any business?
This one costs only 60,000. Yes, this set goes for 120. Give them the price again.
So guys, there are varieties of items, there are varieties of, there are actually everything around that I cannot really, I cannot talk to everyone, but I've tried, what I can. And you can see there are also, plants here. This is particularly tomatoes. I don't know the variety, but it looks so wonderful. It looks so wonderful.